via the simplest method available. For example, either by network or by USB stick. The Format 4 Flash 3D software is clear and simple to use. A carpenter would certainly feel comfortable using it. This is the origin of the Format 4 slogan, "Drawing is programming." For this example, we will enter the exterior measurements of the cupboard. Then we start the design of the interior, entering the location of the central divide and the number of drawers, quick and easy at the click of a mouse. Whilst designing the front of the cupboard, you can choose from a variety of designs at the click of a mouse. Now, both the drawing and design of the cabinet, including hinges and connections, are complete. The view updates itself with every entry, thus allowing for a real-time check of what has been drawn. In the 3D visualization, you can rotate, inspect, or print the cabinet design for sales presentations to your customers. Now the plan is complete. The CNC files are created. Raw materials list, cutting list, and drawing files can be generated at the click of a button. Now let us take a look at the processing of your workpiece in practice. The files are opened using the CNC guidance software, Format 4 Wood Flash. The position of the workpiece is entered and we are ready to go. First, we format the excess off the cabinet panel, tear-free and highly precise. Here you can see how the groove for the back panel is sawn in. The dowels for the corner joints, the line borings for the shelving, and the construction borings for the connections are carried out with the kind of precision and efficiency that is almost impossible to replicate on a standard machine. The huge advantage of CNC technology is that the quality of the finish is exceptional from start to finish. So far, your reasoning and results have been rather impressive. I think CNC would be ideal for my workshop too. But what about when processing interior doors? Well, that's a very good example, Mr. Haller. But let me start with a question. How long do you currently need for the complete processing of a door panel? When everything goes well, about 55 minutes. Mr. Haller, stop your watch and see for yourself how rationally your new CNC machine operates. Mr. Haller, with the CNC you can process your door panel in less than 4 minutes. That translates into more than 90% savings, thus an increase in productivity and 90% more profit. Impressive, Mr. Tjortjenthaler. I believe we're on the right track. Mr. Haller, welcome to Format 4. Test your CNC potential now. The Format 4 CNC potential check answers your question, am I a CNC workshop?